Today we're diving into one of the most mysterious and talked about future fighter jets, the new 2026 Mikoyan Mig-41. Is this Russia's next leap in air dominance? Let's find out. What is the Mig-41? The Mig-41, often linked to the PAC-DP program, is designed as a next-generation interceptor to eventually replace the Mig-31. It's built for extreme speed, high altitude, and long-range interception, targeting threats like hypersonic missiles and stealth aircraft. Design and stealth focus. Early reports suggest a futuristic airframe with heavy emphasis on stealth shaping and heat management. The Mig-41 is expected to reduce radar and infrared signatures while maintaining performance at extreme altitudes, something few aircraft can achieve. Speed, altitude and power. One of the biggest highlights of the Mig-41 is speed. Analysts expect it to exceed Mach 4, making it one of the fastest combat aircraft ever envisioned. Advanced engines and lightweight materials are key to achieving this performance while operating near the edge of space. Avionics and artificial intelligence. The 2026 Mig-41 is rumored to feature AI-assisted avionics, advanced sensors, and powerful radar systems capable of tracking multiple targets over vast distances. There's also speculation about optional unmanned or remotely assisted operation. Weapons and mission role. The Mig-41 is expected to carry long-range air-to-air missiles, anti-satellite capabilities, and hypersonic weapons. Its main mission, intercepting high-speed threats before they reach Russian airspace. Why the Mig-41 matters. If the Mig-41 enters service as planned, it could redefine high-speed interception and challenge existing air defense strategies worldwide. It represents a shift toward extreme performance aircraft rather than traditional multi-role fighters. Final thoughts. The new 2026 Mikoyan Mig-41 remains shrouded in secrecy, but its rumored capabilities make it one of the most exciting future jets on the horizon. Subscribe.